Namaste to all of you. I'm Dr. Sachin Gupta, HOD, Materia Medica, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, JVW. Today I'm teaching you about Gelsemium medicine. Brewer of Gelsemium, Dr. Penny, common name yellow jasmine, family Logeniaceae, affinity on ataxia, CNS, headache, affection of brain, eye, heart, muscles, and nerves. The main symptoms of Gelsemium is paralysis, tremors, cramps, vertigo, convulsions, brain fog, etc. Pathogenesis acts on roots of motor, cerebral nerve center, voluntary and involuntary muscles, nerves, produce a state of paralysis. Muscles refuse to obey the order of the will. It is also known as king of polio, so that it's a medicine of great paralyzer. Centers its action upon the nervous system, causing various degree of motor paralysis, general prostration, dizziness, drowsiness, dullness, and trembling. Slow pulse, tired feeling, mental apathy, paralysis of various group of muscles about the eyes, throat, chest, lungs, sphincter, extremities, etc. Post-diphtheric paralysis. So that we can say Gelsemium is also known as 3D, where 3D means dizziness, drowsiness, and dullness. Muscular weakness, complete relaxation and prostration, lack of muscular coordination, general depression from heat of sun, sensitive to a falling barometer, cold and dampness, bring on many complaints, children fear falling, grab nurse or crib, sluggish circulation, nervous affection of cigar makers, influenza, measles, pellagra. Constitution. Young people, especially women of a nervous hysterical temperament, excitable, irritable, sensitive for the nervous affection of onanist of both sexes. Constitution आपको ये बहुत ज़्यादा जो यंग लोग होते हैं उनको सूट करेगी जेलसिमियम मेडिसिन. Mental generals, bad effects from fright, fear, exciting news, and sudden emotions. This is a very important symptom of Gelsemium in mental status. Bad effects from fright, fear, exciting news, and sudden emotions. Fear of death, utter lack of courage. They are very timid, shy, lack of confidence. The anticipation of any unusual ordeal, preparing for church, theatre, or to meet an engagement brings on diarrhea, stage fright, nervous dread of appearing in public, like urgentum nitricum. Desire to be quiet, to be let alone, does not wish to speak or have anyone near her, even in the person, be silent. Children, fear of falling, grasp the crib or seize the nurse. Physical general depression from heat of sun and summer, weakness and trembling of tongue, hand, leg, entire body. Head, vertigo is spreading from the occiput with diplopia, dim vision, loss of sight, seems intoxicated when trying to move. Headache preceded by blindness, relieved by profuse urination. Headache beginning in the cervical spine, pains extended over the head, causing bursting sensation in forehead and eye. Begin in same way but simulate. Sanguinaria, cilicia have Gelsemium-like symptoms. Aggravated by mental exertion from smoking, heat of sun, lying with head low. Sensation of band around the head, above eyes. Scalp sore to touch. Great heaviness of the eyelids, cannot keep them open. Eye. This is also called as ptosis. Heart, fear that unless on the move, heart will cease beating, slow pulse of old age. Nervous system, lack of muscular coordination, confused muscle, refuse to obey the will, so that there is paralysis. Complete relaxation and prostration of the whole muscular system with motor paralysis. Fever, feel without thirst, especially along the spine, running up and down the back and rapid. Wave-like succession from sacrum to occiput. Modalities, aggravation, damp weather before a thunderstorm, mental emotion, excitement, bad news, tobacco, smoking, thinking of his ailments when spoken to his loss. Amelioration, profuse urination, open air, continued motion, stimulants. References taken from Homeopathic Materia Medica, Boric, and Allen's keynotes. Thank you.